selling equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new Dixie chopper, Eagle SS. One of the first things you're going to see with this mower is that it does have everything kind of blacked out for a nice clean look. Has the suspension dial seat here. The Dixie chopper logo embroidered in. This is a 60-inch mower. Does have a 7-gauge cutting deck with abrasion resistant baffles. It does have a movable floor panel here. Your stomp pad. This does come with a 8-gallon fuel tank. There's your cup holder. 12 volt right here. Coming around back. This does have the 31 horsepower Kawasaki FX engine. Does have the Turbinator Pre-Cleaner. This mower also comes with the Parker HTG 16cc transmission. You do have the traditional Dixie chopper, red, white, blue on the bumper. This does have your rollover protection system. Here we have another cup holder, your controls, your PTO, your choke, throttle, everything here. This does have the rubber chute, as well as maintenance-free cast iron spindles. Here we have your cutting adjustment that is foot pedal operated for heights between 1 inch and 5 inches. Once again, this is Dixie Chopper's new Eagle SS. If you're interested in this mower, any of the mowers you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have this great mower in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.